Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Nafise and I'm in love with art and architecture. I started to draw since I was a little kid, like 3 years old. When I was 13, I took a pencil drawing class in summer, but my teacher was not really good. Then I changed my teacher and she started with dots drawing. But I didn't continue practicing. I was not that patient. Then 5 years later, the summer when I graduated high school, I started again and I drew flowers, Liv Tyler's portrait, a baby portrait, which was my cousin, and some other drawings. But I got to college studying architecture. It took all my energy and time. After graduation, I felt I really needed more art in my life. So I started again and now I'm here in this channel. Welcome to my channel. Here I try to post the process of drawing with pencil, charcoal powder and brushes. Let's go!